Sonic Sprinter. Do you worry that a heavy, slow bike might hold your young racer back on the track? Many beginner BMX riders lose speed and confidence because of bikes that are too bulky or not built for racing. The Sonic Sprinter, inspired by the DK Sprinter Expert Race BMX bike, changes that by giving young riders a lightweight, responsive machine that is race-ready from day one. With an aluminum frame weighing just 18.5 pounds, 8.39 kilograms, this bike is designed for speed without sacrificing strength. Its 20-inch wheels paired with Arisun XLR 8 tires offer excellent grip and acceleration, while the 19.5-inch top tube and 14.25-inch chainstay lengths give a perfect balance of stability and agility. The 100% chromoly fork with tapered legs absorbs impacts on jumps, and the sealed, integrated headset keeps steering smooth and precise. The Sonic Sprinter uses a 39-tooth alloy chainring and a 15-tooth cassette for powerful yet efficient gearing. Forged alloy 3-piece cranks, 165 millimeters, and a sealed European bottom bracket provide a stiff, reliable power transfer, so every pedal stroke counts. The Alloy Junior Linear V-Brake ensures quick, dependable stopping power when approaching tight corners or finishing sprints. Designed for riders between 5 feet, 150 centimeters, and 5 feet 4 inches, 165 centimeters, the Sonic Sprinter is perfect for kids moving from casual riding to competitive BMX racing. If you want your young racer to build skills and confidence on a bike that will not slow them down, the Sonic Sprinter is the ultimate starting point.